Easy mango mousse recipe. Let's make mango mousse. In a mixing bowl, add in 1/2 cup of heavy cream. Use an electric hand mixer to beat the heavy cream. Beat the cream on medium to medium-high speed in the mixer for 1 minute. Whip the cream until stiff peaks form. Add in 1/2 to 1 cup of mango puree. Save some for the toppings later. Mix and fold in the mango puree with the whipped cream evenly. Gently cut and fold mixture until you reach a fluffy and soft consistency. This recipe can make 4 to 5 small serving glasses. The color of the mousse will depend on the kind of mangoes used for the puree. One tablespoon of crushed graham crackers. Flatten the crumbs. Pour the mango mousse. It's best to serve the mango mousse cold, so put the mousse in the refrigerator for 1 to 2 hours. Cover each glass with plastic wrap and chill the mousse in the ref. Top it with the remaining mango puree. We added 3 teaspoons for every glass. Sprinkle some crushed graham crackers. Enjoy. Please don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.